Euro-dollar pair is showing a more or less clear-cut trend after being stuck in the sideways range. Yesterday, Jerome Powell made a speech that stirred up markets. Besides, traders are anticipating a batch of economic reports today. Let's discuss the results in our video review. Forecasts for the Eurozone industrial production were rather pessimistic, yet the figure turned out to be even worse than expected. Economists predicted a slowdown to 0.8% from 3.3%. The previous data was downwardly revised to 0.2%. Result, industrial production stagnated. Instead of moving up, it dropped by 1.5% on an annual basis. Apparently, industrial production has not recovered yet from the coronavirus crisis of 2020. Maybe the energy crisis should also be blamed for such dismal results. So, economists might have seen their real picture only after the release of macroeconomic stats. Investors ignored this negative report. It was quite predictable, given that they also paid zero attention to the jobs report, inflation and retail sales data. In general, traders are now focused only on US economic reports. This is why analysts expect volatility in the market as the United States is going to unveil inflation data today. US inflation is projected to accelerate to 7.1% from 6.8%. If consumer prices climb higher and the Fed does not specify the timing of the key rate hike, analysts believe that the regulator could raise the key rate during the January meeting. What's more, inflation data may undermine a long-term rally of the pound sterling. The euro could also fail to break out of the upper limit of the sideways range for the same reason. The single currency has been unable to do so for almost 2 months. The Euro-USD pair is moving within the upper bound of the sideways channel. It has not touched the pivot point of 1.1400 yet. This is why there might be a drop in the volume of long positions. Despite the fact that medium and long-term charts signal long positions on the US dollar, speculators are more focused on the short-term charts, and they are closely monitoring the movements of the pair within the channel. The rebound trading strategy is still relevant. It implies a downward reversal of the price to the range of 1.1300 and 1.1270. The pound-dollar pair broke above the resistance level of 1.3600, triggering an increase in the volume of long positions. So the British currency gained a strong bullish momentum, even though it's highly overbought. On the daily chart, the pound sterling is recovering after the downward movement that started in June-December 2021, and its growth has already totaled 45%, which casts doubt on the downward scenario. To comment the upward movement, the price needs to consolidate above 1.3650 and it will open the way to the levels of 1.3700 and even 1.3800. Otherwise, analysts expect a downward rebound to the level of 1.36. After that, the price may enter the narrow range. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.